up right now, it's no more love. The junkie mode, rap check that gets spent on drugs. There's some people way back in the past, now they watch me go. Defense cracking down, I ain't sitting. I'm in a whole nother city, I can't even kick it with niggas. If it ain't my business, I drop the time on the AMG cool when I ride through the city, you mean the risk. They be like, baby, how you fuck your partner, baby mama, that ain't why you getting feeling. Members of a gang's not a whole neighborhood surrounding my fence. I used to ride around with the wrong team, I'd never be a fake with them. I used to show a lot of young nigga love and appreciate what I was giving. All the young man, I ain't understand, but now I'm on a whole nother level. Oh yeah, my drink got me feeling like the only one left. Would die for you, would have been you my last breath. Tombstone road and curse like that death. Tombstone say you ain't passed me on yet. It's got to be with me and J-Ron and everybody business. They know what it cook in the air like a free. I took so many lives I ain't used to win. You know motherfucker, she suck it, I'm dead. I don't know who I am, I been gone in the mid-G. 69, position like G. I push out the car, no key for the engine. That shit for the jump, push out. I in the kitchen, my dog doing cook-off. They be like, baby, the greatest, he take out. I don't know, man, she makes me the car. My brother, she do like that out. I can't call me a day out. I need some tea with a drink on.
Oh yeah, we outside. I'm gonna tell you what's up. Hey. This house big, huh?
We still to spend cash for pages. I make this shit last for ages. I hit the phone with all the cages. It can make us all the patience. We living through all the changes. We run till we fall, we made it.
Boyscout don't play. No games.
Oh.
Watch out, baby. Watch out.
Oh. Wait, do you press this for donut?
Press the donut.
Press the donut is on your thing.
Oh. And no, this doesn't mess up your car. Tesla is steered by wire, y'all. So the car is only connected to the wheels when it's on. Shout out to EV, man. Engineering is crazy, man. Oh, 2 laps. I'm going first place. What is it? I know Boyscout don't play no games.
It's like when I run out of money, they run out of love. It's when I use my love for me, when they run out of trust. It's like I give you all of me, but you don't give me all of you. You don't love me like you say, it's only less. If I lost everything today, could we still throw up? If I lost everything tomorrow, would you still love me? If I ain't you know how I think, could we still hold? Cause your love is a drug, I'm addicted, can you drug me? Maybe it lasts a lot of days, you gon' change.
You hear me? Yo, it's your boy Scout, man. Check out the latest vlog, man. Right now, we are test drivers at this moment. Right now, man. And yes, you can check out the latest merch on the website. It's sold out.
Boyscout, man. So check it. Y'all know we in that new Model 3. We got the ambient lighting. Check it out, my man Tino. Y'all haven't subscribed. He do a lot of content. I got bored. Shawty was in here grabbing some Vietnamese sandwich. I'm tripping. Vietnamese sandwich by me. So yeah. But yeah, I was over here about to watch my nigga Tino. So right now we finna let Pretty Girl get on behind the wheel, test drive the new Model 3. Check it out. We got ambient lighting, display nice. You feel what I'm saying? The back seat decent. Ambient lighting come all the way back to the end. You see, I had to put the ambient light in orange. Look at the roof. It's nice, man. It's very minimalist. You feel what I'm saying? You got your touch pads on this end. Oh my God, this is nice, subtle. Compartments on that side. Cup holders on that end. More storage on that spot. Damn, like how much can you get on my phone? You even get a TV screen on this side, man. Shout out to my man Tino, man. Shout out to my man Tino. Look, so right now we finna switch up. Right now, you feel what I'm saying? Talk numbers with the dealership. You feel what I'm saying? Well, it's not a dealership. Tesla don't have a dealership, fun fact. Talk numbers with the, you know what I'm saying, my guy. And yeah, we just really get this shit started, man, because I think it's time. I think it's time. I'm done playing. We got some firepower in the channel. You feel my fault for spin. We got some firepower in the channel. We got, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get some, when that horsepower come, we finally gonna get our powerlifting content done. You feel what I'm saying? Because we got a lot of shit going in store. Man, I got so much, I ain't gonna say too much. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Chill out. You chill out. Mouth don't be red all the time. Let's see what's next I want to get. So check it. Y'all see we in the gas station. Bro, this is one of my favorites. It says 2 for $4.50, but I'm done with candy, so I'm really trying to get some vibes going. Ooh, they got cherry sours. Ooh. She know how I feel about the cherry sours. Let me chill out, bro. Let's get what we can, bro. I'll catch y'all when we get gas. We filling up the tank beyond right now. Got 15 on the tank. Let's show y'all some horsepower, you feel me? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Scout. So check it. Right now, we at the gas station. We finna get some horsepower footage going on. You feel what I'm saying? If you don't know, if you have been tuned in, if you check my social medias, they'll be in the description, in the bio on my YouTube. You feel what I'm saying? We on the horsepower move now. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of firepower. You know what I'm saying? We still got a full size AK to go. You know what I'm saying? Me and Shotty, we still got a full size AK to go. I still need a Shotty to go. You feel what I'm saying? So we still got a lot of stuff that we gonna do on the firepower side, but we on horsepower. You feel what I'm saying? It's time to check out to the car meets, to the car vlogs, the cars and coffee, man. You know what I'm saying? It's been going too crazy. Shout out to Ryan. Shout out to you know what I'm saying, my man Big C, Cody. With the whips, man. We gotta turn it up. Shawty, we been switched the motive, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna show y'all what we get next, you know what I'm saying? But just know we got some shit coming for the channel. But we finna fill up a tank. Gas cheap right now, it's like $2.91. So we finna put a little something in the tanky on. Get some little POVs, get some cuts, get some, you know what I'm saying, get some engine. You know, y'all, I know y'all see me, I got the patty, so put it on sport mode, man. We'll get some cuts, man. Show y'all the vibes. So. Beat! sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got that traction control off, man. Let's get y'all a little POV, man. Y'all ready for this one? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I take drop them niggas that pull my shit, that's why I'm friendless. Don't ask me about no niggas you don't see me with, that ain't my business. Niggas envy a young nigga before the rap, I was out here getting it. How you flop on your little nigga? He ain't even exposed to feelings, but it's cool. Shit ain't finna show this shit up to the ceiling. I mean it's boo, come through in the cool, pull out with your boo, grip a tool. I see niggas be watching, no I ain't no fool.
Fucking rocket, this ain't no rap, this up for trapping fool.
Pull out them blues, bitch ain't ice spice,
Gotta
but I
keep
get
up
up
in
in
that
that
mood.
mood. Rule number one, no disrespect my pimpin'. The same niggas I help off so they like try to talk my image. The same bitches I went and pay they rent say I ain't spending. The feds made my knees broke when they took my freeway pendant. They took my brother pendant. They took my brother spinach. The same week I was right back in the jeweler, straight spinning. The same week them niggas tried my angles out here spinning. You know I started to go y'all shit and Ricky Orange nigga on trip. I watch them niggas try to do U-turns. Niggas watch you grind it up but still mad about what you earn. Will scratch a nigga out like a bitch when he got a new perm. Years ago I said I want double back, no bitch I'm too firm. It ain't no U-turn, it ain't no double the back. Run over 7 M's, I'm trying to double that. Bitch I'm fucked over 10 niggas, it ain't no loving that. Once the niggas take the shit to IG, it ain't no coming back.
Shit's like this straight cook,
I stay true to
motherfucker.
myself, I stay true to my bitch. I stay true to my clip, I stay true to this shit. Hoes gon' fuck me if I ain't had no bag, I'm through with that bitch. Say she'll love me if I ain't had no bag, I see through the bitch. Shit, I'm through with that hoe, I'm eluding the folks. Got them bubbles 411, got a trap in the choke. Ugly bitch think she finessing, she be flexing the pole. Real mean with the wrist, I can whoop up some coke. Splash that bitch with some water, turn that shit to some dope. Niggas be out here hating this shit, so that pistol I told.
See where we at. Come on. Come on. Come on. So check it. Y'all hear that? Got the super be outside. My fault, I had to vlog up real fast. Shout out, you might be on camera. Bro, just shout out to my man's hard head for hooking me up. Hey, if y'all don't know, since y'all seen on the last previous 3 vlogs, 2023, March 29th, y'all seen I had came up here, had to come up and pull up with an Acura, finance with him, it didn't come through. But we said, check it. Shout out to my man, hard head. We finally got my shit, nigga. Yeah. Yeah, sir. Little 3, 4, 5, you feel me? Shout out to my man, hard head, for giving me a good ass deal. Staying authentic with me, you know, do it all, shit like that. Shout out to San Marcos Dodge for hooking it up, man. Hey, check out the snow bunny. Check out the snow bunny. Y'all hear this shit? Give it a rap. Bro, I look like a man all of the honor. Let me see the motherfucker. Bro, this shit is big, bro. You don't know how long I've been waiting, bro. I did this shit all by myself.
True
3
story.
o'clock in the morning, every fucking morning. 2 jobs.
Got the job done.
Got the job done. 3, 4, 5. Scat Pack Hellcat cool, but like, come on. Come on. Y'all know Boyscout gonna turn this shit up. Man, I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. Y'all gonna see on the next vlog, man. I appreciate everybody who been selling out all 4 drops for the shirts. Appreciate that. Everybody that been supporting, y'all know exactly what's going on. Shout out to my man Jorge making history and shit like that, man. I'm gonna see y'all soon, man. I'm gone.